Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam an error occurred while launching this game. No licenses. Let's begin. So once you open up Steam, you are going to go to the top left corner and select the Steam icon. After selecting the Steam icon, you are going to go to Settings. After selecting Settings, you go to the left side, then look for something where it says Downloads. Afterwards, you're going to scroll down a bit, and you are going to look for something which says Clear Download Cache. So you're going to select it. And then it says here, this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? So once you've read all that, you are going to go to this button here where it says confirm. So afterwards, it's going to close down Steam and you just simply have to log in with your details again and then see if the problem is fixed. If that option does not work, then what you can try to do is you can go to your library and then look for that specific game that you want to fix. Then you're going to right click and then you are going to go to properties at the bottom here. Then here you are going to verify game integrity. Then lastly, if that does not work, then you need to update your graphics card drivers and your other drivers on your computer. Because there are times where a simple driver update can make a game work, especially if you have an older PC. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.